So I'll be showing you how to have your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 measure your blood oxygen during sleep. So to do that, just go to the app screen by swiping up, and on the app screen just go to settings. Under settings, go to Samsung Health, tap on that, and then under Samsung Health, go to sleep, tap on that, and then you should see blood oxygen during sleep. Make sure that is enabled. If it's disabled, then the Galaxy Fit 3 will not check your blood oxygen when you're sleeping. So just make sure that is turned on, and as you go to sleep wearing your Galaxy Fit 3, it's going to check your blood oxygen. Now you can find all the blood oxygen data in the Samsung Health app in the morning when you wake up. So just go to the Samsung Health app and find your blood oxygen. Okay, so here's the blood oxygen. You can see we have one that I took right now, and then we have my blood oxygen for my sleep from 11:52 p.m. to 4:32 a.m. when I woke up. Okay, and if you tap on that, you can actually see your blood oxygen during sleep. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.